Hey guys, I'm Phil Town from Rule One Investing. Today, I want to talk to you about how rising fuel prices are affecting the economy and how it might present an investment opportunity for your future. So, you guys, as we all know, fuel prices are going higher and higher across the country. Welcome to, I don't know, a little bit of the People's Republic of California. Biden says that he may cut federal tax on gasoline to help combat the rise. It's like throwing a teaspoon on a gas fire. Even if it happens, we're still seeing the highest gas prices in the U.S. history nationwide. Now, what do rising fuel prices have to do with the economy, and how could that turn into an investment? So let's dive in. Now, when people spend more money on gas, they got less money to spend on other additional expenses or other regular expenses. And the same is true for businesses. They have to spend more of their budget on transportation, moving supplies in to make a product, moving the product out the door. They have less money to spend elsewhere. I've got a friend of mine who runs a trucking company. Man, they've never been busier in their lives. They can't get enough drivers. It's unbelievable how much shipping's going on out there, and the costs are rising like crazy because they're completely booked up. So all the transportation costs are going up. Simply put, when people and businesses spend less, the economy slows. That's what happens. Slowing economy, what's that going to do? Well, it leads people to start talking about recession. And while people get worried, they start to pull back even more. So it kind of tends to viral on itself downward. However, this can present an amazing opportunity for you and me to buy shares of wonderful businesses at huge discount. Oh, rising oil prices also mean that some industries might be able to raise their prices more than their costs, and thus might actually expand their margins. And new industries are likely to rise out of this extreme pricing on gas and oil and provide us maybe with some future fuel substitutes. So there could be some really cool investments down the road there. Now, if you can find companies that will profit from rising oil prices and those that can innovate and adapt and buy them when they're on sale, you could really make money on rising fuel prices as well. So what kind of a company could expand its profits even while fuel prices are going up? Well, the very companies that Warren Buffett is buying: Occidental Petroleum, Chevron, Exxon, BP. These guys, Apache, these guys are in the business. They've got the asset, and they're not being motivated in any way, shape, or form by the federal government to do any significant amount of asset development. As a result, their profit margins are actually expanding right now. It made President Biden very angry, and he told them, "Oh, you're really taking advantage of the situation." Amazes me when politicians start thinking about economics. So rising oil prices also means some industries are going to be able to raise their prices and thus increase their profits. That's kind of cool. And there are going to be new industries that develop. I think if the prices stay up there, we're going to see fuel substitutes, which will be very, very cool. Now, if you can find companies who are going to profit from rising oil prices, and I'm going to suggest we take a look actually in the oil patch. Could be some wonderful businesses there. And Warren Buffett has just been buying Occidental, and he's been buying Chevron, and both of those prices have gone down recently. That's a hint. And if you like kind of startup kinds of companies or early stage companies that can innovate and adapt, man, if you can find them when they go on sale, that would be awesome. You might be able to really find a huge winner out there and profit down the road from rising fuel prices. Now, if you want to learn a little bit about how to do that and manage your investments smarter, both now for whatever you have and as prices continue to rise, then take my investing quiz in the link below. It's going to help you out, figure out what you know and what you might need to learn. Now, what I'd like to hear from you guys is, how do you think rising fuel is going to affect the economy? Is this going to kick us into a recession? Is your business going to suffer or benefit? Leave a comment below with your answer. I'll be sure to follow up with you. And thanks for watching, you guys. Now go play. If you enjoyed this video, feel it was valuable in teaching you more about how rising fuel prices can present an investment opportunity, just hit the like button, share the video with your friends. And if you want more investing content, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to click the button on the screen for a free gift. Thanks again for watching.